Okay, so now this is the VLOOKUP formula, and then with the explanation beneath it. If you look here, it says the search key is the value to search for. For example, blah blah blah. So we are saying that if you search for Afghanistan, where are you going to search for this Afghanistan? So the range of values is the next. That's the range. So you go to that particular range. Everything in there is important. So that's why you select all of it. Then now when you are done with it, we look at the index, which is this particular number. Now the index, let's read this. They say the column index of the value to be returned, where the first column in the range is numbered 1. So for instance, if you go to your range of values, or where you will be referencing, this is the place where we have all our values or information or the data set. So we are saying that whenever you see Afghanistan, reference to this. When you see this, go to this. When you see this, go to this. So this is where we have our answers, where we want the values to be returned. That is why we have named it 2, because that is the second column in that particular data. That's the second column. And then the third one is talking about whether the sheet is sorted or not. Okay, whether the sheet is sorted or not. So if you look at that one too, from here, let's look at it. It said indicate whether the column to be searched, the first column of the specified range, is sorted, in which case the closest match for the search key will be returned. So that is it. So I have chosen false, and then we'll see why. So basically, this is it. If I enter, from here, you see I have South Asia. To know whether my formula is correct or not, I'm going to just use the fill handle to fill that particular column, and then let's see how it goes. Here we are. So all is done without any problem. Let's go and look at some of the countries that we are very familiar with to see whether they are really where they are supposed to be. So we have Angola here, which is what? Sub-Saharan Africa. Okay, let's go to my beloved Ghana. You can also search for your country, because that one you know for sure where it's supposed to be. So I'm going to look at my country, Ghana, and then we see. Okay, so let's see. Ghana is here, and you can see Sub-Saharan Africa. You can see here that Ghana is somewhere there. Okay, so you can search. You see Germany is in Europe and Central Asia, whatever. So all that is done perfectly for us. So we'll go back and now go and take the instructions, the next instructions, and then we see how that also goes. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.